how to quickly find and filter starred text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on conversation. So if you want to find and filter starts, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on, you will see third option is start. So click on start. So you will see your all filters, messages, text messages is showing here. You will see start text messages and filter is here. So after the process, after watching, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can quickly find and filter shared sorry start text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.